the boat and watch your children. And no plastic tails. Prepare to make sail. Bienvenidos a la segunda emancipación de los humanos. Brazos, pies y piernas.
Where be Captain Jack Sparrow? Speak up, or do you fancy a swim?
Pipe down, you lily-livered lubber! Strike your feathers, dearie. Show 'em your flock.
Hey, send them hints of Davy Jones. It's the rum they want. Drink them beardies.
Weigh anchor now, you swabbies. What be I offered for these hearty hens? Every one an egg layer.
Not less they be laying golden eggs.
You there, you bilge rat.
Quit your clucking. The gentleman wants the rum.
Fool me, my dear. Sir Tory wants Captain Jack Sparrow. You'll never find the treasure without a look at this here map and this lovely key to the treasure. Ha ha ha! Easy, boy. Here I be, in the treasure land, and the key as well.
He's not the man you swap.
Can't you reach any further, you stuffy little twit?
Here you go, dearie. Come on, have a
Wrestles a scoundrel of birds and knaves, they got to be on your home. The devils and blacks, you really bad eggs, they got to be on your home. Drink up, lads.